Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 SsangYong Korando, stock number 6450. This ran from December 2019 to the current shape. It has a D16 DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D16 DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard no dents, left front 19-inch frac alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch frac alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 19-inch frac alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 19-inch frac alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,